Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about principle, construction and working of an optical fiber. While many of us have heard the term fiber optics or optical fiber technology to describe a type of cable or a technology using light. An optical fiber is glass fiber that is transparent, flexible and is as thin as human hair. It carries light signals with very little loss of strength from one end to another. Optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection by which light signals can be transmitted with negligible loss. Before learning how an optical fiber works, let us recall the concept of total internal reflection. Consider two medium of different refractive indices N1 and N2 such that N1 is greater than N2. N1 represents denser medium and N2 represents rarer medium. When a ray of light travels from denser to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. If theta 1 is the angle of incidence and theta 2 is the angle of refraction, according to Snell's law, n1 sin theta 1 equals n2 sin theta 2. As the angle of incidence increases, angle of refraction also increases. For a particular angle of incidence, angle of refraction is 90 degree. This angle of incidence is called critical angle, which represented by theta c. Therefore, n1 sin theta c equals n2 sin 90. The value of sin 90 equals 1. Hence, theta c equals sin inverse of n2 divided by n1. By knowing the values of refractive indices, we can calculate the critical angle. When the angle of incidence is more than the critical angle, then light ray reflected to the denser medium. This phenomenon is called total internal reflection. Therefore, total internal reflection is an optical phenomena which occurs when light travels from denser medium to rarer medium and angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, then the light ray returns to the denser medium. Construction of an optical fiber. An optical fiber is cylindrical in shape. It has three main parts: the core, the cladding, and a coating. Core is an inner cylinder. The transmission of light occurs through the core by repeated total internal reflection. Cladding is the outer part which surrounds the core. Both core and cladding are made up of transparent dielectric materials like glass or plastic, but refractive index of core is more than the refractive index of cladding. Coating is the outermost region of an optical fiber which safeguards the fiber against the chemical reaction and crashing. Working of an optical fiber. A light ray strikes one end of optical fiber at A with smaller angle of incidence. The light ray refracts and enters the core. It strikes the interface of the core and cladding at B with angle greater than the critical angle and undergoes total internal reflection. After a series of such total internal reflection, light emerges out of the core. Thus, optical fiber works as a waveguide. In this video, you have learned an optical fiber is a thin flexible fiber which is made up of glass or plastic that can carry light from one end to another. It is used to transmit light and digital information over long distance with very little loss of strength. An optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection. It has three main parts: core, cladding, and a coating. The refractive index of core is more than refractive index of cladding. In optical fiber, transmission of light occurs through the core by repeated total internal reflection. Thank you.